Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the time variant and time invariant system. So there is another classification of control system depending upon the time the control action will be take place. So the system have a time varying behavior or the time invariant behavior. So these are the two classification: time varying control system and time invariant control system. So one by one we will discuss these two system in detail. The first one is your time varying system. The system whose parameter vary with the time are called the time varying control system. So the parameter, or we can say the output, will vary as per our time requirement. So that is the time varying system. When the parameter don't vary with the time, that is called time invariant system. So you can see this is the time variant system. Here the x1t is the input, xt is the input, and we will get the output of the system yt. So if we'll put a delay by t times in the output, then we will get the output delay response y of t minus t. Similarly, we have an input xt, we will put a time delay in the input, then we will get a time delay in input, that is x of t minus t with the time delay input t. And if we'll put this input to the system, then we will get the desired output by the delayed output as well. So you can see that v of t minus t and v of t minus t. So the delayed output response and delayed input response both are equal, then it is a time variant system, we can see. Similarly, the time varying system, the mass of the mass of missile rocket reduced as a fuel is burnt, and hence the parameter mass is the time varying, and control system is time varying type, we can say that. So in our missile rocket system, if the fuel is reduced or burnt, so parameter mass is time varying, we can say, and the control system is time varying. And time invariant system is nothing but it will be look like that. If the system is xt over here, right, and the delay is, we can say that we will get the response the similarly time delay with t apply over there, then we will get the y of t minus t. And if we'll get the input x of t minus t, then similarly we will put the system response with the time delay input, we'll get output y of t minus t. So this response and this response both are equal, then it is a time invariant system. Thank you very much. This is all about the time variant and time invariant system. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on control system. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.